All right, we're here at Berlin City Toyota of Portland, taking a look at our 2008 Toyota Tacoma. It's a TRD off-road, about 104,000 miles, I believe. Quick walk around the exterior. Tires are almost brand new. They're nice, aggressive Cooper Discoveries. Small cosmetic blemish here on the back bumper. And another little nick right here. Again, that's not on the body, it's just on the rear bumper. Easy fix. Let's take a look at the tires. Aluminum alloy wheels for TRD off-road. But they're almost brand new Coopers. And the TRD gives you the fog lamps. Everything's color coded. This is an access cab. There's a little bit of wear on the interior, in the center console. A little bit of wear on the seat. Not really holes, just wear. This little console is just worn out. That can easily be replaced or even painted. 6-speed manual, not very common. Let's take a look at the back seat. It's got TRD off-road floor mats that are in great shape. So that's just a quick look at our 2008 Tacoma here at Berlin City Toyota of Portland, on sale for $17,999.